Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some nuggets. I should have been did this a long time ago, but yeah, I'm going to be using this chunky yarn I have. But I also make little nuggies, dino nuggies, bitten nuggie, regular nuggie. Size difference. For this one, chunky yarn, 5mm hook. For this one, weight 4 yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Make sure you have your yarn needle, some scissors, and yeah. So we're gonna take our yarn, make a slip knot, and chain 6. With this yarn, it may be hard to see, so just listen. With specialty yarns, it's best to feel, even though you can slightly see. It's better to feel your stitches. But we have our chain 6 in the second from the hook. We are going to place a single crochet increase. This is a single crochet only pattern, so if you don't like single crochets, this is not the pattern for you. Now we're going to single crochet 5. My mistake, we're on single crochet 3. I'm getting ahead of myself. Now we're going to place single crochet. We're going to place 4 single crochet in this last space. Pull that loop as tight as you can. Now we are going to single crochet 3 on the opposite side of the chain. And we're going to increase in this last space. This pattern is worked in around, so you need a stitch marker. If you watched any of my other videos, you know I do not use stitch markers. I use a spare piece of yarn. That's what I'm doing here. We are going to single crochet increase in this first space. Now we're going to single crochet 5. Now we're going to single crochet increase 2 times. We're going to single crochet 5. And we're going to increase in this last space. For row 3, we're just going to single crochet normal, so you should have 18 single crochet at the end of this row, and I'm going to meet you once I have my row completed. Okay, my row 3 is done. We're going to move our stitch marker, or I guess spare piece of yarn. For this row, we're going to start the decrease to get our boot shape. So we're going to single crochet 6. Now we are going to do a single crochet decrease 3 times. My single crochet decrease is always an invisible decrease. So I'm going to go in the front loop of the next stitch and then go to the front loop of the stitch after that, and then we're going to single crochet as normal. And remember, you're going to single crochet decrease 3 times. And we're going to end off this row with 6 single crochet. For rows 5 through 7, you'll just single crochet as normal. and you should have a total of 15 single crochets for row 5, 6, and 7, and I'll meet you at the end of row 7. Okay, I'm not even sure how I forgot this, but yeah, you need stuffing if that wasn't obvious. But we are at the end of row 7. So for row 8, we'll begin to close, and what we'll do is single crochet, then the single crochet decrease 5 times. So it's gonna single crochet, then do our decrease, and we're gonna do this 5 times. My first one, second one, and I'll meet you once I'm done this row. Okay, now that we have our row of 5 single crochet and single crochet decrease, we are going to stuff this because we only have 1 row left. Take your stuffing and fluff it out. I don't know how people stuff. I just do anything. Go with the flow. You don't need much stuffing. Anyway, I use polyfill to stuff, but you can use whatever you want. Yep, still got that little squish. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, now we are on our 9th and final row, and all we're gonna do is decrease. So you should have 5 total decreases on this row. Remember, go in the front loop, then work it as a single crochet, and you're gonna do this 5 times. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Alright, here I am on my last decrease. What you're gonna do is slip stitch into that first space. I don't know if I was on camera doing that. Remove that. Gonna snip off a decent piece of yarn so your yarn needle comes into play. I twist and thread. Let me just do this. And that's just me tying it off. To close this off, I just go in and out of the front loops. Okay, then we're gonna place our scrap right into the middle, find a stitch, and then you're gonna pull it so it's not bulky at the top. Then I just follow the stitch pattern, go into the opposing side, follow the stitch, and then come through this side, give it a little tug, snip, and then your yarn hides itself inside so it won't come loose. But yeah, here's our nugget. It's cute. Okay, to learn how to make a saucy nugget, I'll add this to the pattern. The pattern will be on my Etsy for $8 to $10, and it will include a saucy nugget, a regular nugget, a bitten nugget, a dino nugget, and my large nugget. I think that's it. I can't remember, y'all. It's so many nuggets in that one pattern. But yeah, pattern will be on my Etsy soon. When it's available, the link will be in my description. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell, you know, the usual things. And I'll be back with another video, maybe later, maybe tomorrow, but I'll try to make it soon. Thank you for watching.
My nugget collection. Small nuggets, medium nuggets, big nuggets, bigger nuggets, nuggets with faces, nuggets with bites, Saucy nuggets. Skinless nuggets. Dino Nuggies. What's your favorite?